In today's assignment, you have to write your last name using the ASCII 2, American Standard Code for Informational Interchange, in binary form. As you can see on the ASCII 2 table, everything has a character. If I'm doing the beginning parenthesis, it would be decimal 40 or hex 28, 0010, 1000, all the way up to 127, which would be a delete key. Okay. Even though all of these are shown as a byte, you can see the first one is always a 0. And in actuality, often that's used as a parity check, which is basically an error checking to see if stuff got there correctly. So we're going to use even parity, which just means that in a group of 8 in that byte, you're going to have an even amount of ones. Okay, so Stargard, capital STARGAARD, and then end with a line feed, LF line feed, which means go to next line. Okay, so I'm going to start with a capital S right here, which is 83 in decimal, 53 in hex, 01010011. Okay, and we're going to ignore the first 0 because we're going to use that as a parity check. So I go 101. 0011. Okay. And then even parity means that in a byte, I'm going to have an even amount of ones. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. It's already 4 is even. So I put a 0 in front of it. Had it been an odd, I'm going to use a 1. So it's a simple error checking to make sure that stuff got there correctly. Okay, now I'm going to do a small t. So a small t is, I'm going to ignore again the first 0. So it's 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. So I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4 ones even. So I put a 0 in front of it. I go to the A. I ignore the first 0. Okay, so 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, so here, now you can see that we have 1, 2, 3 ones. So that's an odd number. To make it even, I'm going to put a 1 in front of it to keep that even parity. Okay, then I'm going to go to an R. 0, whoa, I don't need the first 0. I'm going to use that as a parity check. So on my R, I have 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is going to be a 0. G. I ignore the first 0. So I have 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, odd. So I need a 1 to keep it even. A. So I've used an A before. 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Put a 1 and 1, 2, 3 ones. Put a 1 in front of it. I'm going to have another A, so it's going to be the same. 0, 0, 0, 1. I'm going to have an R. I've had an R before. 0, 1, 1, 1. 0, 0, 1, 0. D would be, ignore the first 0. 1, 1, 0. 0, 1, 0, 0. 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. It's odd, so I need a 1 in front of it to keep it even, to make 4 ones. So again, parity means that in a byte, it has to have an even amount of ones. And as part of a computer, when they talk to each other, in the start, they do what's called a handshake. And basically, they agree should we do even or odd parity. Okay, the last character is a line feed. LF means go to the end of the line. Okay, so that's going to be 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. And then it's going to be I have 1, 2, 1, so it's going to be a 0. So if I was sending my last name followed by a line feed between two computers in United States, it would most likely be like a stream of binary like this. So that would be how I sent my last name with even parity.